Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another from the Bicho's collection. It is none other than the Indonesian jeweled scarab. You can see him there. It's very blue. But well, before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit the bell as well. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like this bug, make sure to leave a like down below. And also, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well, guys, let's go. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs. And guys, this is none other than the Indonesian jeweled scarab. You can see him there. And here it says, learn everything about termites. Okay. I would think that they would teach us about this beetle. Oh well. Here it talks a little bit about this beetle. It gives a little description, a bit about their habitat, as well as some other observations, and shows you different parts of the slide there. And here, as it said before, it talks about termites. And it comes with a new thing of stickers. Very cool. Let's put that to the side. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new bug. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new bug. He looks really awesome. He's bright green and he's kind of sparkly. I'm not sure if you can see that in the camera or not, but he's very cool. He has, he's not only green, but he also has these like golden designs on the bottom, and he has like 2 lines on his wings, which I'll show you in just a second. There's the side. And there's those lines that I said before of gold. He looks like a piece of jewelry. He doesn't seem like a real creature. What do you think, hun?
Yeah, it's really cool.
He's like crazy pretty.
Yeah.
And like, this is a bug like you maybe wouldn't see normally. It's pretty cool to be able to see him up close.
Very close.
It's just really neat. And I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see if we can get his little face. And well guys, I'm gonna put him back down here on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will hopefully let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called CosasParaTener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. And guys, if you would like a shout out, all you have to do is ask for one down in the comments below and I will give you a shout out in the next video. So make sure to go ahead and do that. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.